We want to thank our patrons for all your support. Every little bit helps.
So it's Sunday morning. We are still in Neah Bay, I guess that's how it's pronounced. And I think we're heading out tonight at midnight. Camille doesn't know that yet. I think we're leaving tonight at midnight, which gives us a big window for getting into Eureka. I'm sorry, getting into Astoria. We talked to these guys that were driving a boat north. They came from Ventura. We held them tie up last night. And they told us that the bar at the Columbia River right there at Astoria is super gnarly. And so we want to give ourselves plenty of kind of buffer zone between the darkness and getting into that harbor. So I think we're going to leave at midnight, push through the night. The waves step down to like 6 foot around midnight and continue to go down to 5 feet throughout the day. So tomorrow should be nice. And if in the perfect world and we could do 10 knots out there, then we'll get in around 3 in the afternoon, which would be great. And then we're going to leave like super early the next day and push for Eureka and just keep chipping down the coast. The weather improves from here on out. So, yeah, that's where we're at. And the storms have still been rolling through all night and all day today. It's just like front after front pounding through. So, time to do boat work today. We're going to move the VHF antenna up and get some other odds and ends done and then push off tonight. We're in the engine room getting stuff chipped away. This is like the water tank hose fill. So like if you fill the fresh water from the port side, it also fills the tank. There's a tank on each side to balance the boat. This was cracked and the captain had to hold it in place. Otherwise the whole room was like filling full of water instead of the water tanks. So we're cutting that and we're gonna get just a water hose at the Marines store here and just hose clamp it in place so that we can fill both tanks and it won't spill everywhere until they get back and put it in a proper system. Check out these crazy old washers and dryers. So that's the current project we're getting underway right now. There's many more to do. What are you fixing?
Putting on the we had a broken crossover pipe from that connects the 2 fresh water tanks from there to there. So when that tank fills up, it wasn't filling up this tank. So
you had to hold it, right? Because
yeah,
it was
just,
just
hold
spewing everywhere.
There's the broken pipe right there.
Oh yeah, that's the original broken pipe.
That's where it's broken from, right there.
The hard pipe system.
Yeah.
The captain got a enforced hose.
And yeah, and so we're putting a reinforced hose on it. And
this is our heat lamp, trying to soften it up.
Heating up the end of it so it'll go on. It'll soften it up and we can fit it over that. You got a hose clamp?
Surprise. It's attached to something.
Going somewhere.
We're about to move the VHF antenna, which is in a real silly place, and put it as high up as we can on the masthead. So about to get to that. And we finally found the GPS antenna, which is right there. And we taped that properly because it was just kind of sitting in there. So now me and Camille are going to go up top and try to get this VHF antenna moved.
You want to put the knife in your pocket?
No, because I want to have you cut the electrical tape
right.
on this, and then maybe we'll...
Okay.
find?
Sea star.
Wow, that thing is huge.
It's so big.
For reference, that's my hand.
You can't even tell though. He's way
He's
bigger than
gigantic. Look at these guys. You see the eyelashes right here? See the eyelashes? He wants to come over for better victuals. Probably pinched the shit out of you there. Don't drop your phone. No, you got it, you got it. Go for it. You got it. Go for it. It's like opening a tin of fucking biscuits though, it's scary. Jump, partner.
Okay, he's just like trying to jump to the other side.
Oh, to these?
Yeah. We went and fueled up and tried to monkey with the autopilot again. Still no go. It seems like the CCU, the computer control unit, is just not reading our heading correctly, so we're not sure. We're probably just going to continue hand steering down the coast. But we gave it another shot. Now we're going to go to the, how do you say this name?
I think it's Maka.
Maka Museum. Looks pretty cool. There's supposed to be a bunch of artifacts there from like a village they found buried in sand. So we're going to go check it out and show you guys what's in there. Well, we just left the museum. They wouldn't let us video or photograph inside, but if you're ever here in Neah Bay, it's a world-class museum. You have to check it out. It's full of like archaeological dig sites and unbelievable amount of like fabric woven baskets and stuff made out of bark and different stuff. Really incredible museum. If you're ever here, come check it out. And you know, it's like $6 admission and world-class museum. Here's something right here. What is that, you think? What do you think that is? Oh shit, that was funny. Oh, there's a squirt. Yeah.
There's a lot of
Oh, here's a critter.
all these petals.
I just like the geysers, they're funny. Moving when I walked up. Touch it.
What is it?
What are you doing, fucker?
I've never seen one look as ready like that.
Oh shit. What's up? Holy shit, those hooks are gigantic.